Hello, good day. My name is Paul from KeGas. Today we'll be showing you on how to properly fix your regulators at home. You know, a lot of times customers complain that my gas is leaking or my regulator is shaking or what, they don't know how to go about. So today I'm showing you the simple ways to fix your regulator. So come with me. Now first things first, when you get to fill your cylinder, please ensure they change the seal in here. Now it's very, very important because when they change the seal, it helps the regulator work fast, and if there's any form of leakage, the seal there will seal it off. Now first things first, after changing the seal, you come home with your cylinder. Now look at the regulator. We have so many types of regulator, but today we'll be using pure fire specifically. This one that has knob by the side. Now look at this. When you press down the knob, you fix it on the valve. Now after fixing it, don't turn it up immediately. You have to ensure you press it down in case it didn't fix well. Now when you turn it down, then try lifting it from the regulator to ensure that it's tightly fixed. Now if it is tightly fixed, you're now good to go. You now put it up. With this, you're done. Now ensure that after fixing it and putting